Hello and welcome to the weekly manifesting report for December 20th through December 26th, 2021. My name is Rachel Avalon. I'm a spiritual coach, angel channel, and angel healer, and I work very closely with the angels to help spiritual women to manifest the abundance, the success, and the freedom that they know they were born for. So how this works is I'm going to give you an overview for the week ahead of what the angels have channeled to me is most important to focus on for manifestation. And then you can get more personalized messages for what is most important for you personally to work on when we go through numbers 1, 2, and 3. So go ahead and choose numbers 1, 2, or 3, and make sure to let me know what you chose below. Okay, so let's dive into the energy for this week. This is a really powerful time for making massive leaps. We have the solstice on the 21st. We've also just come off of the full moon over the weekend. The full moon and the solstice together are creating very, very potent energy for releasing what is no longer serving you, letting go of anything that is holding you back, and stepping into that next big level of success, of abundance, of love, of joy, of freedom, of all the amazing things that your heart desires. This is an intense time, so there could be a lot of emotions coming up. This is part of the releasing process. The solstice is a time really, especially in the northern hemisphere, the winter solstice is a time for going within. Remember that this is the shortest day, so the shortest amount of daylight, the longest night, the most amount of darkness for the entire year. And that is significant because it really symbolizes this time of going within and reflecting on the shadows. So a lot of shadow work is to be done at this time. And shadow work is all about looking at your fears, looking at things from the past that have not been healed. So things could be coming up that are unresolved from the past, that could be from this lifetime or also from other lifetimes. There's a lot of karmic releasing going on right now for us personally and also in the collective. The solstice is a very important time for also honoring the cycles of the earth and honoring Mother Nature. So connecting with the earth at this time is a very powerful thing to do to ground yourself, to ground your manifesting energy, to ground your goals and dreams. When we're doing manifesting work, it is so important to remember that we're working with very high vibration. Working with the angels is a very high vibration, calling in that infinite manifesting potential that we all have access to. That is so powerful, but we also have to remember that we are human beings on the earth plane, and we have to be able to ground that energy in order to harness it successfully to achieve our goals and dreams. So connecting with the earth at this time is a very powerful thing to do to support your manifestation. Another thing that's happening right now is that the earth and the sun are in perfect alignment with the galactic center. This is guiding us for getting ultra aligned with our goals, with our mission, with our soul purpose, of clearing out any obstacles on our path, anything that has been weighing heavy on us, that has been holding us back. So there's a lot of releasing, a lot of up-leveling, and this all supports us in accelerating our manifestation at this time. And on that note, I'd love to invite you to my upcoming 3 free-day course on accelerating your manifesting with the angels. This starts on January 2nd. I'm going to show you the key steps for working with the angels to turn your vision board into reality every single time. And I'm going to show you the 3 angels that are most powerful to work with for collapsing the timeline so you can make quantum leaps in 2022. And I'm also going to show you how to work with the angels to receive specific answers and messages so that it takes the guesswork out of the manifesting process, so that it no longer feels confusing and you have confidence and clarity in knowing exactly which steps to take next to manifest your next level goals. So you do not want to miss this. It's going to be a magical experience working with the angels over those 3 days. And there's also going to be a live channeling session with the angels where you can ask a question and receive personalized channeled guidance to help you move forward and accelerate your path to manifesting your goals and dreams. So make sure to sign up for that. You do not want to miss it. The link is below. So now let's dive into the messages for numbers 1, 2, and 3. If you chose number 1, this message is all about celebration and giving thanks. This message comes to you from Archangel Raziel, and he is letting you know that amplifying celebration energy this week is going to be very powerful for attracting increased abundance to you. When we focus on celebrating even our small wins, celebrating every step along the way of our journey, celebrating all aspects of ourselves, honoring ourselves, giving love to ourselves, nourishing ourselves, all of that comes together exponentially to raise our vibration and to make us more magnetic to increased abundance, blessings, miracles, synchronicities, opportunities to help us to reach that next level of our goals and dreams. So he's letting you know that this week is really important to take time to honor yourself, to nourish yourself, to give thanks for who you are, and to give thanks to the universe, give thanks to the angels, give thanks to Mother Earth at this time for all of the nourishment and the support that you are receiving, all of the guidance that you are receiving. This is also really powerful for attracting the next level of abundance. By staying in that energy of gratitude, of opening your heart to receive the love, the abundance, the joy, the freedom that you desire, this is such an important thing to do, especially during this solstice time, because as I mentioned before, connecting with Mother Earth, connecting with giving thanks for Mother Earth and to the universe and to the universal source energy that is providing all of this nourishment, all of this support to help you to get where you are and to help you come through all that you've been through, and that is helping you get to that next level of your journey, to help you fulfill your purpose, to help you shine your light. This is all so important to focus on. Gratitude and celebration is going to accelerate the path to your goals and dreams at this time. If you chose number 2, this message is all about amplifying your personal power. And this message comes to you from Archangel Michael, and he is letting you know that it is okay and it is safe for you to step into that next level of power and strength right now. He's letting you know that you are more powerful than you will ever know. You're more powerful than you could ever fully understand as a human being on earth. And sometimes it can feel scary to be faced with how immense our actual power is. It can feel a little overwhelming, and there can be resistance that comes up along the way. So make sure to call upon Archangel Michael to help you to move through this resistance, to move through any fears, to release any fears and worries and doubts that are coming up at this time, and to help you to stand in your power. He's also reminding you about boundaries, about setting clear boundaries. This is going to help you to amplify your personal power. So remember to take time for yourself, to make sure that you are replenishing your own energy, that you are nurturing yourself, that you are filling up your own cup. It can feel hard when there's close loved ones around you who need your help, especially during this holiday season. We can feel like pulled in every direction and there's all this pressure going on, but it's so important to take time out for you, to set those boundaries, to stand in your power, to take time out for what you need, for what you desire, to fulfill those desires, and to set those boundaries and to block out the noise from the outside world as much as you can, to follow your own path, your own purpose. And this is really going to help you stand in that next level of your power. And it's going to make the path a lot clearer, and it's going to make it faster to reach that next level of your goals and dreams. If you chose number 3, this is all about connecting with divine guidance this week. And this message comes to you from Archangel Haniel. And she is letting you know that your intuitive gifts are being heightened at this time, are being awakened to that next level. Take some time this week with the solstice energy to deepen that connection with your higher self, with your soul, with your heart, with the angels. Call upon the angels. Archangel Haniel is so powerful to call upon to help you to connect with your own inner guidance, with the divine guidance that is coming through. Archangel Haniel is also talking about focusing on your heart center. Take this time as you connect to focus on your heart, and this is going to help deepen your connection with divine guidance. The messages that you seek are going to come through this focusing on love, this focusing on what your heart truly desires. The other thing that she's mentioning is to make sure that you stay the course with your intuitive gifts and your spiritual gifts, your spirituality overall, to trust yourself, even if others are not on the spiritual path, even if others do not understand all your manifesting rituals and your manifestation beliefs. Stay the course. Trust yourself, trust what you know to be true, and connecting with your heart and connecting with your soul is going to show you the way, the next steps to take on your path, so that you can move forward confidently. So those are all the messages for this week. I hope you enjoyed them. Make sure to let me know if you chose 1, 2, or 3 below. I always love hearing from you guys and how the messages resonated with you. And don't forget to sign up for the free 3-day course on accelerating your manifesting with the angels. I can't wait to share this with you. It's gonna be magical. So make sure to sign up for that. The link is below. Thank you so much for watching. Sending tons of solstice blessings to you. I'll see you guys next week.